We are looking at the numerical methods. Okay, this is a course on its own, and then we are looking at under this course we are looking at arithmetic progression. So, in a nutshell, that will be AP, arithmetic progression. And the first thing we want to look into in this aspect is to look at the nth tens of arithmetic progression. The symbol for nth term is u subscript n. So the nth term, which is un, is equal to u subscript 1 plus n minus 1 into bracket d. So this is the general formula for the n terms of arithmetic progression. Okay, some books use A for U1. Okay, they use A plus n minus 1 into bracket D. These two formulas, they are the same thing. So it depends on the textbook you are using. You can use U1 or you use A to denote or to connote the first term. Okay, what is the meaning of A or the U1? Okay, let's look at these sequence 5, 2, 5, 8, 11. Okay, so this sequence is infinite sequence. It doesn't have an end. It continues like that. If you look at the pattern of this sequence, okay, you realize that it's increasing by 3, 2, 5, 8, 11. So it's increasing by 3. So that constant increase is called the common difference. In this case now, your U1 is 2. That's the first term. So U1 is called the first term. The first term. That's the first written number. Then your D, which is called the common difference. Common difference. This is common difference. Okay? And then we use this common difference to test if a sequence is arithmetic progression. Okay? How do we do the testing for arithmetic progression? Very simple. Look at the pattern we have here, the sequence we have here, 2, 5, 2, 5, 8, 11, and so on like that. The first written number, which is the first term, is called U1, U subscript 1. The second written number is called U2, which you call the second term. The third written number is U3, which we call the third terms. The fourth written number is called U4, which you call the fourth written number. So you have the U1, which is the first term. So this is your first. This is the first term. This is second. U2 is second terms. U3 is the third term. U4 is the fourth term. Okay, so that is that on arithmetic progression. Then the n is a number of terms. Is a number of terms in the sequence. Okay, it's a number of terms in the sequence. Okay, then the next thing we want to look into now, the sum of arithmetic progression. It has this formula: S subscript n equal to n over 2 into brackets 2a plus n minus 1 bracket d. So that's that. Another one you can use, or you can also use this formula. That's n over 2 into brackets a plus l. Okay, so these are the two formulas for the sum of arithmetic progression. Okay, let's look at the notations. This one, x subscript n, where s subscript n stand for sum of first n times sum of if they give you 2 here, that will be sum of the first 2 times. Okay, sum of dash. If it's x5, that will be sum of what? That will be sum of first 50, 10. So in a nutshell, Sn, S subscript n connotes sum of. Your A is the first term, the first written number. Then your D is a common difference. Your D is a common difference. Okay, and your N, as we all know, is a number of tens. Your N is what? Is a number of tens. Okay, is number of tens. So these two formulas can be used. You can use any one of them. We usually use this formula when we have the last 10. Okay. For example, now maybe you have 2, 5, 8, and we have some omitted value, and then we now have the end, maybe like 23, for example. Now, okay, this one is a finite sequence. It has an end. So in this case now, your L will be what? Your L will be 23.